Looking for an Ethernet cable that delivers fast, error-free connections? Our Cat6 Ethernet cable offers exactly that, supporting multi-gigabit speeds of 1, 2, 5, 5, and even 10 gigabits per second up to 160 feet. Built with 100% copper conductors and tested to meet ANSI, TIA-568-2.D Category 6 standards, it ensures your network runs smoothly without interruptions. What sets this cable apart is its PoESupport, thanks to 24 Aruban fluorines stranded copper conductors and UL-rated wiring. It can handle up to 100 watts, making it perfect for powering devices like VoIP phones and security cameras without extra power sources. Plus, compliance with IEEE 802.3 and DTE power standards keeps the cable cool, reducing heat-related issues. Quality matters, especially when it comes to network hardware. This cable features ETL and UL certifications, so you know it meets strict safety and performance criteria. Its connectors are gold-plated with 50-micron thickness, preventing rust and corrosion that can cause costly downtime. The durable PVC jacket also resists bending and fraying, ensuring long-lasting use. Installation is straightforward with the 8-foot molded patch cord design. It fits easily into high-density panels packed with cables and works seamlessly with Cat5e systems. For added convenience, snagless boots are available, making wiring through conduits faster and hassle-free. This cable is designed to simplify your setup without compromising performance. Users across the United States have praised this cable for its sturdy build and reliable speed. One reviewer highlighted the extra length, noting how it maintains top speeds from their router while feeling solid and well-made. This kind of feedback reflects the real-world dependability you can expect. If you're upgrading your network or setting up new devices, this Cat6 Ethernet cable offers a clear advantage. It supports high bandwidth with 650 MHz frequency, ensuring your data transfers stay fast and stable. Whether for home or office, it's a practical choice that protects your investment in connected technology. Worth a look if you want a cable that combines speed, durability, and ease of use. The balance of certified quality, PO capability, and thoughtful design means fewer headaches and better network performance. Try it when you're ready to experience smoother, faster connections that keep up with your needs. Ready to boost your network's reliability and speed? Choosing this Cat6 Ethernet cable means you get tested performance, robust construction, and future-proof features in one package. Don't settle for less when your connection matters. Upgrade with confidence today.